Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. So we're going to start off today's vlog with a hair review. This hair is from Horella Hair, so thank you so much for sponsoring this video. So let's jump right in and see what they send inside the box. First, they have this pink satin hair bag. You can keep your hair in this bag when you're not wearing it. And then it always comes with this little baggie here. We have a scarf, a wig cap, and some hair clips. They sent an extra wig cap, so thank you very much. And they sent this really pretty headband. I actually really like this headband. I have about 5 of them, but I really like this one. It's really pretty. And now let's get into the hair. So I'm just going to remove the hair from the bag. And the hair is always protected with a hairnet. So we'll just remove that. And this is their bob wig. So it's a 13x4 bob wig and it's 10 inches. Now y'all know that I am a middle part girl, but if you wanted to, you could part this down the side as well. So now let's take a look inside the cap. So as you guys can see, the lace is from ear to ear. So there is the space where you can part it on the side if you want and down the middle. Always comes with the combs on both sides and then the comb in the back along with the lace tab and the adjustable straps. And with the adjustable straps, that just helps you to control how you want your unit to fit. So let's go ahead and dye the unit. And this is how the hair turned out. Now you guys know I like to wear my hair pushed behind the ear instead of wearing it out like this. I didn't have to do any trimming to this unit. It actually came this length, which is perfect for me. It's a nice, clean, classy look. Every time I wear my hair like this, I get so many questions. So this is your opportunity to take advantage of the deals that they have going on right now. So I'll have all the information about this unit in the description box below. Okay, y'all, so today is Monday and I'm stuck in the house. It is 2:59. It's pretty late in the day. Everything that I had planned for today to do, I haven't been able to get done because I've been watching the Ahmaud Arbery case all day and I don't want to miss anything. I was supposed to run some stuff over to the women's shelter. I got rid of like a lot of jeans and some other things that I want to donate. If you guys have been following me for a while, then you know that I do this probably like twice a year. I'll just go through my stuff, especially like during the time where the seasons change. I'll usually go through some of my stuff, and if I haven't worn it in a while, or I'm just, you know, I'm not reaching for it, I usually try to get rid of everything. And I'm trying to do a lot of decluttering before the new year. So I had a bunch of jeans. Y'all know I have a lot of jeans, and they've just been sitting in my closet. I really don't wear my jeans that tight fitted like I used to. I like more of a loose fit now, and so I probably only have like 3 pair of loose fitted jeans. The rest were like tight fitting straight leg jeans that I just don't wear anymore. So I bagged all of that stuff up, and I was gonna take it all to the women's shelter today, but like I said, I don't want to miss the case. I just turned my TV off just for the shot that I just did on this hair, which y'all know that this is like my favorite go-to style. It's just nice, effortless, and I really like wearing my hair like this. Y'all know I wear it like this all the time, and I needed a new unit, so I'm so glad that Harella reached out to me because I absolutely love it. It's so pretty, and you guys always ask me about it, so y'all don't forget to check that description box. But let me show you guys all the stuff, and I need to turn my TV back on because I don't want to miss nothing. Okay, so here's one bag here. This is just shirts and just random things, and then this bag here is full of jeans. Some of the jeans still have tags on them because I never wore them. And I know some of you guys are probably going to say you should start a Poshmark, but honey, I got a lot of stuff on my plate, and I'd rather just donate the clothes like I always do. So wait, let me see these. Hold on. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, so I have, let's see how many pair of jeans I got in here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 pair of jeans. And all of the jeans are in really good condition because I take care of my stuff. So some of these jeans I've had for years that were just my favorite, and I just didn't want to let them go. And then some of them I probably bought like earlier this year, but I haven't been wearing them, like I said, because that's just not my style at the moment. And even if I have like an itch to wear like a nice kind of fitted pair of jeans, I'll just go purchase some more. But I don't really see that happening anytime soon because I actually don't like wearing jeans anymore. They're not that comfortable for me, so I don't really grab for jeans like I used to. So I'm gonna bag this stuff up, sit it at the door. Today is gonna be a pretty short vlog, but I didn't want to not vlog at all. But like I said, I just kind of got caught up in this case, and I really want to watch it. So right now the defense is doing the closing arguments, and I started watching the trial like last week. I didn't know that there were 3 different attorneys for the 3 guys, so all of them have to do their closing arguments, and then the state will come back and close it all off. I'm out of breath, y'all. But I did go to the gym this morning. Today is actually date night also for me and my husband. We're going out to have dinner tonight, but that's not until later on tonight. I did want to try to go and get a few more things for my Christmas decor. I'm so excited for Vlogmas. Still don't have my intro together. I got to get that done. I just have a lot of stuff to do, but I am like honestly stuck in front of this TV. Like I can't move. I can't do it. So Yesterday, we actually had a early Thanksgiving because both of my brothers were in town. One of my brothers live in Jacksonville, but he travels with his job, so he's not always here. He's not going to be here this week for Thanksgiving. And then my other brother, he lives out of town, so they were both here. So my mom wanted to do an early Thanksgiving, so we did that, and it was delicious. I pigged out yesterday. All the food was so good. Of course, I was on macaroni and cheese duty. Birthday is Saturday coming up. I haven't planned anything because y'all know I've been on standby with my teeth. They're gonna just call me when my design is in, and then we're just gonna go. So I didn't want to really plan anything because I'm just waiting on that. So but we did plan something for Thanksgiving. My sister wants us to, those of us that's here in Jacksonville, to come to her house on Thanksgiving. So if I'm here, then we'll do that. I don't know if I'll be cooking any Thanksgiving food because I don't want to be eating on that stuff for days after Thanksgiving, especially with me trying to lose a few pounds. So that's that. I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. Like I said, I know it's short, but I don't really have a lot of stuff going on. And y'all know I never vlog when me and Tony go on our dates. Unless we out of town or something like that. But usually, you know, I don't vlog our dates and stuff like that. So that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.
Don't take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby,